Let's go into our practice. What does UHC do to us? We've been trying to be contracted with them for what?
Yeah.
Like I've been in practice like almost 10 years.
What did the bullet say?
Deny.
A lot of D words.
Yeah. They were saying supposedly from the book, and Amazon actually had to stop. They banned all the shirts that they were selling that were coming off the.
I think it was diners, drive-ins, and drive-thrus. It's Guide Fieri's.
Well, I honestly
Guide Fieri's like guide through health insurance.
I called Humana just to try to get credentialing the other day.
Yeah.
And they just wouldn't answer my question.
Yeah.
I legit had one question that I was just trying to figure out what I need to do. And they were just going around in circles and then would basically redirect a question towards me that had nothing to do with anything and would basically be like, so you want to do this, this, and that? And I'm like, no, I have one question I want you to answer.
Yeah.
And they just wouldn't answer. And I ended up hanging up.
And you know, with my previous partners were talking to Blue Cross Blue Shield on contracts, and they would keep me out of it because I didn't want to put up with the insurance companies, and I wasn't going to let them bully me around because I knew how hard I worked, and they would keep on like, they wanted to pay us under Medicare rates for a lot of the stuff we did. And those guys weren't doing it, but I was like doing it in my practice. And I'm like, no, I don't want to settle for less. Like you guys, they were just like, they were being so nice that I'm like, fuck these people. Like, who are they? I'm like, and they were just like someone in like their sales team or whatever, physician liaison, bullshit physician liaisons. And I'd be like, I'm not fucking kissing these people's feet. They can go fuck themselves. Like they show me the money, then we're going to fucking sign the contract.
Yeah.
But if they're not going to.
They pay me for what I'm actually doing.
Yeah,
and not
it's
just
you
taking money in.
You live by Joe
But
Pesci's.
most
live by
physicians-
Joe Pesci's words. Fuck me? No, fuck you.
But I mean, how much was the CO taking home? I know COs are probably
12
taking
to
home
24 a year.
30 million.
more than
He was
24.
over
No,
dude.
the base.
The Banner Health
No, I'm just
guy
saying.
was making 26 mil a year.
Base
3 years
base,
ago.
he's making like you're number 5 or 6 on a basketball team.
He's probably
And 10
making
million of it's buying his own stocks back.
Yeah. Oh, this is a great
Crazy.
Ponzi scheme that nobody's calling a Ponzi. Let me
So
just
it's
buy
just
back.
a lot of, the insurance companies just have created a lot of positions for a lot lot of people that are just making tons
It's
of
not
money.
just the insurance companies.
I was
It's
surprised
the
it
whole
wasn't a
system.
physician.
Yeah, it's the whole system.
Yeah, it was.
Could have been, yeah.
What?
Well,
Okay, let's play this game. Like, who'd you think it was initially?
I thought it was a hired assassin. The guy looked
Yeah,
I
it
did
seemed-
too.
yeah.
It was
The
from
way
the
he pointed
shots
that gun and
it's
shot him?
It just had a silencer, so I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, that's a hired assassin or a Jason Statham.
Yeah.
There's no way it's anybody else.
Maybe it's his wife's boyfriend. Because his wife was like living away from him. So
It's possible.
Well,
it's
they're
Luigi.
not-
He was
It's
smiling
Luigi.
at
He
the
did take
hotel
his
guy.
mask down. That's a flirt. Luigi might have been the guy. Luigi might have been with his wife.
Yeah.
there's rumor that it was actually Waluigi.